What if an asteroid was headed for Earth? That's been the subject of countless films and books. But now NASA is actually hatching a plan. This is the SpaceX rocket carrying the DART spacecraft. But it's not your average payload. DART stands for Double Asteroid Redirection Test, and it's the first ever asteroid redirecting device. It was first fired into space from the Vandenberg U.S. Space Force Base in California, aboard a Falcon 9 rocket. But its mission is only just beginning. We luckily don't have any asteroids heading right at us anytime soon. So now DART must travel 6.8 million miles over the next 10 months, where it will eventually meet up with the double asteroid Didymus, smashing into it with sheer kinetic force and hopefully changing its trajectory, all the while sending images from its onboard cameras back to mission control on Earth. DART's target is about the size of a football stadium, so it's a tall order for such a small spacecraft, but it will be meeting it at speeds upward of 15,000 miles per hour, shifting its trajectory just so, which given its distance, will knock it off course, providing a proof of concept for larger, more worrisome cosmic objects.